Honorable Elamaram Karim ji.
Thank you, sir. First of all,
अच्छा सुझाव है, माननीय मंत्रीगण देखेंगे, आप जानते हैं उसकी एक प्रक्रिया है.
first of all, I salute all health workers, including doctors, and the government servants who are fighting to stop the spreading of the coronavirus in the country. Sir, our Honorable Prime Minister declared that Mahabharata war was completed within 18 days. We will win the fight against corona within 21 days. What happened to that? I was searching that words in the statement of Health Minister, but I failed. Sir, the fight against corona in Kerala was recognized by WHO and some other international agencies also. But a single word was mentioned in the report, the statement of Health Minister. Sir, that is not a BJP government. Sir, the state governments are directly dealing all these cases. What is the center's attitude towards the state governments?
Please.
What is the attitude? Even the GST compensation is pending. Government has announced a trust by Prime Minister's Cares Fund. MP LAD fund is going to that fund. If the MP LAD was there, we should have been able to build infrastructure in the health sector and help the state government, in respective state governments in a big way. It has been lost. All CSR fund from public sector companies are going to the PM Cares Fund. But the states are not subsidized. States are not helped by the center. How much request has given here? Sir, the distress of the people is not a concern of the government. A single word is not mentioned in the statement. 15 crores of workers have lost their employment. That is the statistics given by CMIE. And migrant labor's distress. What was the situation during the lockdown? The first case of corona was reported in this country on 23rd January. But government was busy with the reception of Trump at Ahmedabad, an attempt to topple the Congress government in Madhya Pradesh, and on one fine morning coming with a declaration of lockdown with a notice of 4 hours. You see, the migrant laborers were thrown out of their houses. They were in the street. There was no train or public transport service to return to their home. Government announced one package, COVID package, 20 lakhs crores of rupees. What is government's expense? What is the expense from the treasury? What is the share of government's money in that package? Only 2 lakhs.
Conclude, please.
See, many other countries have declared so many packages up to 21% of the GDP. Our package contains only 1% of the GDP or other amounts from banks. Government has not put any assistance to the state governments. See, the Kerala government, Kerala continues to be one of the states with a very low case of fatality rate, CFR, of less than 0.45 death per million, and much below the global and national level, DPM, death per million. Sir, global CFR, national CFR is 1.6, globally it is 119, and Indian national level is 58. Kerala level is 1.6. At this level also, Indian union government is not recognizing these efforts. Kerala team of doctors and health workers went to Maharashtra and went to Gulf countries.
Conclude. I will invite other speaker. Please conclude.
Union government has to extend their help. The state governments, not only the Kerala, all state governments.
Thank you.
Fund has to be allotted.
Thank you.
Then only we can check the spreading of the coronavirus, which is a national disaster.
Thank you.